how to enable or disable auto synchronization on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. And system, okay, here you can see the time. Okay, go to time. In time, okay, go to date and time. Here in date and time, you can see the auto synchronization. So the auto synchronization is enable. So if this enable, automatically set date and time. And okay guys, if you want to disable the auto synchronization, so you can disable or switch off the switch button on the right side to set the date and time of your Devant Smart TV. And if you want to enable again the auto synchronization, okay, just switch on the switch button on the right side of this to enable the auto synchronization. After you set the date and time, select or click the confirm button to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled auto synchronization on Devant Smart TV.